Hi friends, welcome to Srisai IT Hub. In this video of Core Java Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: default thread names in multi-threading program. So what happens if you don't give any thread name? In that situation, what is the name, default thread name provided to that particular thread in multi-threading program? So let us start with what is multi-threading in Java with a small revision. Multi. So multi means many, two or more. Threading. Threading means small logics or codings. And these small logics and codings are done basically with methods, because method is a block of code or a piece of code which is used to perform specific task in our program. So coming to the definition of multi-threading, the definition goes like this: executing two or more small logics parallelly in a same program along with main method is called multi-threading. So generally when we run the program execution starts with main method and line by line execution takes place. But along with main method, if we want to execute other methods parallelly, then we have to go for multi-threading concept. So the main advantage of multi-threading concept is we can execute multiple logics, multiple work parallelly at a time in the same program. So now coming to default thread names. So what will be the default thread names when we don't give any name to a particular thread in multi-threading program? So basically we use thread class to perform multi-threading in 4 steps, and this thread class belongs to java.lang package. So now coming to the default thread names. So whenever no thread name, whenever thread name is not given to a particular thread in multi-threading program, then in that situation JVM or Java compiler provides default thread names. So in that situation JVM or Java compiler provides default thread names. So these thread names will be in particular order starting from 0 to n-1. So these thread names are as follows. Example: thread -0, next thread 1, next thread 2, next thread 3, so on. So this is how default thread names will be provided to the threads which are created in our program. So here whichever thread is created first, it will get 0 and then followed by 1, 2, 3. So these indexes for thread names are given based on threads created in the order. So whichever thread is created first, it will get the less index and then followed by the next index of the sequence. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. default thread names example1.java. So take a new page. So first we'll write the comments. Program to demo default thread names in multi-threading. So main class with main method, default thread names example1. So let us save this program in our working directory. Right. So default thread names example1.java. Fine. So let us create a thread class with run method. So step 1, create a thread class which is inherited from thread class of java.lang package. So class will take it as something like demo thread extends thread class. Now inside this thread class we'll take a run method which will run parallelly along with main method. Public static void main string of args. And next we'll take a loop for int I is equals to 1, I less than or equals to 10, I plus plus. So 10 times we'll print the name of the thread which is coming to the run method. Okay, so this is not main method, this is run method. Public void run. So small change here, run method. So whichever thread comes to the run method, it will print its name 10 times inside the for loop using getName method. So system dot out dot println getName. So getName is a method which is available from thread class, which is a base class for our demo thread class. So from base class it is inherited to demo thread class, so we can use it directly through inheritance reusability concept. Next, step 3, will create an object of demo thread class. So demo thread t1 is equals to new demo thread. Right, so we'll take one more thread class t2. So demo thread t2 is equals to new demo thread. So for demo thread class we are creating two thread objects, and for these two thread objects we are not giving any name. So initially we'll give the name and also check it like that. So t1 dot set name something like hello thread, and then t2 dot set name will give it as welcome thread, and then finally we'll start both the threads to execute the run method. So t1 dot start, t2 dot start. Right, so save this, open the command prompt, go to your working directory, compile the program. So default thread names example1.java, compile it and run it. No error. So t1 t2 hello thread welcome thread. Right, so when we re-execute, the pattern will change from execution to execution. So welcome thread 5 times, hello thread 1 time, again welcome thread 2 times, hello thread 2 times, and then welcome thread 3 times, and then finally remaining 7 times hello thread is executed. Right, now let us remove the thread names here. So let us put comment for set name t1 t2 hello thread and welcome thread. Save the program. So recompile it. No error, and run it. So if you see here, we got thread 0 2 times, thread 1 4 times, again thread 0 2 times, thread 1 2 times, so on. In the last, thread 1 got executed remaining 4 times. So this is how, when we don't give any thread names, default thread names are provided by compiler or JVM, and these thread names starts from 0 1 2 3 indexes and prefixed with thread hyphen. So this is how default thread names are given to threads which are created in multi-threaded program. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.